Hi everybody. Sorry for that. My video finished about 5 or 10 minutes before I'd finished the actual arrangement. I don't know why. I've just come to show you the finishing touch and lift the camera up so you can see it on the easel, and I noticed it had stopped recording. I don't know why. I'm going to have another look into the phone settings to see what's going off, to see if I've used too much memory. I'm not sure. So, but this is the end result of our wreath today. It is, again, we've got our beautiful lime green dahlias. We've got our lovely, I added a little bit of ribbon. I don't know if that's on the video at the side of a boot. Obviously there's the ribbon that we started off with at the front. We've got our black roses, we've got our twiggy bits and some more twiggy bits here, our spiky mums. Let's lift this forward a little. Our clematis, our lime green clematis, our poppy heads, our monstera leaf, or it might be the elephant ears actually, our black oak leaves, our glittered fern here as well. I'm trying to think what else did I add in. Oh yeah, and our tree pine, which is here also. I think that may be all that I added in. Oh, now black fern. Did I say black fern? There's the black fern as well. And there is our lovely witch's boot. And as you can see, I added the foam and I was sticking some floral and foliage coming out from there because I knew I needed to have some at the front, and that was the only place I could place them in some foam inside the witch's boot. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Again, my deepest apologies for the video cutting off short again. I'm just gonna have to have a look. It really frustrates me, guys, it really does. But I hope what you see. And if I can't attach this end piece to the video, I may have to go in and start edit some pieces. I don't really edit, guys. I don't like editing, but I'm gonna, maybe if not, then I'll just have to do a part 1 part 2. And if you see a part 1 part 2, guys, you know it's because I just don't like editing at all. I'd rather it be as is. So, but thanks again for watching, guys. So sorry about that. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. All the best, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.